video is all about one of the best natural hair loss treatment that you can ever come across. So if you want to know more about this treatment, please keep on watching. Hi, my name is Cloud. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mommy, aka Petite Diva, and this channel is all about hair care, skincare, and a little bit of randomness. This hair treatment is just amazing. It stinks a bit, but it's really amazing. If you want to know how to prevent your hair from falling and how to regrow your bald spots or bald edges, or how to prevent thinning hair, then this video is for you. This treatment is amazing. It uses about 3 ingredients. You can increase the amount you want depending on your preference, but it's just something you can do with 3 ingredients, and the ingredients are easily available in your homes, so you don't have to just go out there and be looking for things to buy. So if you want to know more about the natural hair loss treatment that has won awards and has had people research on it, then you need to keep on watching. Hold on, before I show you how to make this hair treatment and use it, if you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing by clicking on the red button that says subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell notification icon by the side and select all notification options so that you are notified anytime I upload videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you will try this treatment, please comment in the comment section hair loss treatment so that I know that you're going to try it. And if you're not going to try it, say no. That means you don't think you're going to try it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.